Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. It is now 4:30 p.m. 4:30 a.m. and by 4:30 a.m. itself I am going to give you some knowledge about the first chapter in science, and the chapter's name is Nutrition in Plants. So the Nutrition in Plants chapter is having very simple topics like the definition of nutrition, what is nutrition, and what are its modes, what are its types, and what are the main important processes during these modes. So we will first study about the nutrition in plants, or it may be similarized to, it may be said that the living organisms which need to perform certain basic life processes like nutrition, respiration, growth and reproduction for their survival. To perform all life processes, every organism requires a daily supply of energy. So the food we eat provides the energy, and we already know about the various components of food like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. These very components are only called the nutrition. So nutrition means the assimilation of all the nutrients inside the body organs of the plant. So the nutrients always enable living organisms to build their bodies. They used to grow the bodies. They also used to repair damaged parts and processes. So on the whole we can say that nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its digestion. Not only digestion, absorption and utilization by our body or by the plants. So nutrition is said to be the process of taking food. So by the process of taking food, any organism can do the three things. First thing is digestion, second thing is absorption, and the third thing is utilization of the nutrients by the plants. Now let us see what are the modes of nutrition in the plants. The basic modes for the nutrition in the plants are of two kinds. First is autotrophic and the second is heterotrophic. The word autotrophic shows the two syllables, auto and trophos. It has been constituted from the two syllables auto and trophos. Auto means self and trophos means nutrition. So autotrophic means self-nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water and minerals present in the surroundings. You can say inside the soil or within the air. So these minerals are present in the surroundings. What are those minerals? I said earlier, those minerals are in the form of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins etc. So these are nothing but the combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and also nitrogen, because already we know in the earlier classes that we have several knowledges about the components of the surrounding atmospheric region. Surrounding air, we can say surrounding air consists of nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. Mainly it consists of so many gases, but the main and important gases are nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. Nitrogen is such a gas which is not at all available independently. They are always available in the form of some soluble combination like salts, and those salts are called minerals in the soil. So the soluble salts may be said as fats for the plants. So autotrophic nutrition is such a process by which a plant can absorb the nutrients, digest it inside it itself, and then it utilizes for the growth and to repair the damaged body parts. Repairing the body parts means creating the cells, and the living cells are multiplying second by second. It is progressively multiplying. So that is called the carrying out process through autotrophic nutrition. Now let us see what is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The word heterotrophic is also having two syllables. One is hetero and the other is trophic. Trophic syllable has come from trophos. Trophos means nutrition. So hetero means other and trophos means nutrition. So heterotrophic means nutrition obtained from others, from the other plants. So the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from the simple substance but obtains ready-made food made by the green plants directly or indirectly is called heterotrophic nutrition. So organisms having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. So let us end with this. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.